It's Faye. She wanted to lose weight the easy way out, which never works. And here we are, left with not a trophy, but a scar. Okay, it's not a scar. Let me just not be so dramatic. I'm left with something to remember though. That's 100. You guys all know that I get suckered into weird shit all the time. So I saw this TikTok, of course, of all places. So I saw this TikTok stitch of this product, the one that we're talking about today, the one that ruined me, and this MD nodding, acknowledging that this product does work. And that was red flag number 1. Apparently, the scammer Hammer must have taken 2 videos and made it look like a stitch. I don't know. I didn't check, okay? I was impulsive. I saw it and I went onto Amazon and then I bought it. The video looked really real, but someone on my vlog channel was like, Faye, that was a fake video. Faker than your best friend. Oops. Anyway, that's the word on the block. I did what 99.9% of us would have done. Okay, you know, Amazon is just so quick. Amazon, you should sponsor me. Got that thing on Prime Dial. I ordered these patches immediately and it came in within a couple days, and it's been about a month now. I checked my orders this morning. Gone. The brand completely wiped out. Not there no more. They were taken off the market, and if that was not red flag number 2. However, because we're so lucky, there were so many other brands that literally replicated this product. You know, so many companies are just trying to sell this to dummies like you and I. That makes me feel better. Know that some of you guys would have done it too. Their marketing worked. Weight loss patches. Belly fat burner sticker without exercise. So take my money, take it from my back pocket. Dropping soon on Spotify. I said, bitch, how, where, why, what if? How come? Okay. This whole box came with 90 pieces and I didn't even use half of that or a fourth of that. I was 2 weeks in. You can stick this on all of your insecurities as it promotes. Jiggly arms? No problem. I do that for you. Wobbly thighs? No problem. I do that for you. Jungle gym tummy? No problem. I do that for you. Fat ass? No problem. I do that for you. You can stick these on anything, apparently, for a good figure, a S slim figure. How can you not buy this? Come on. The technical part of these patches is that in the center there's this circular patch, part of the patch. It's called the hot melt adhesive core. If that does not sound like some type of volcanic science fair, then I don't know. It says it's a magnet. It's not, if you were wondering. So apparently this core is made of natural plant ingredients, and I'm not so sure what plants. It could be grass for all we know. The patch penetrates into your skin, as said, and it's supposed to be non-irritating. Mother trucker, liar. There's internal circulation and shapes your body. It regulates your body and promotes fat burning without exercise. Fork. That sounds good. Like, at this point, I don't even know. I can't even be mad at the product because I was dumb enough to fall for it. So, like, are we mad at the liar or are we mad at the dumbass falling for it? Which one is it? They literally took a bunch of words that people who are like you and I, very vulnerable, smashed it into a paragraph, said, here you go. It's magic. Try it. And we did. I mean, we were well fed for a hot second with, you know, the marketing. Listen, Linda. I started at 140 pounds because I gained my fair share of holiday love back. I was excited. I was pumped. I wore these patches morning to night for 2 weeks straight. Red flag number 3. Yes, I'm gonna admit, you know, I am guilty of falling asleep with these patches on like 2 times. And then one time I purposefully put on a new patch at night to go to sleep with. It literally says you can have it on for 8 to 12 hours, okay? What's the harm? It should be fine. Piss off, Randy. Tell me why. I mean, obviously, the more and more I wore these patches, the itchier it became. You know, it's that same feeling of a band-aid when you rip it off and you're just like itching around it like crazy. But I didn't think that was irritation. I just thought it's like me duct taping my belly button. Of course it'd be itchy. It's like a band-aid, right? Right. I kept them on, and this was my normal ritual routine. I, you know, lived every day, remind myself to stay grounded, gratifying myself. I do some lifting 3 times out of the week, and my diet was not the best. I mean, I'm trying to get back into the leaner side of things, but I am intuitively eating, so I am mindful of what I'm putting in my body. I'm not fully there with my diet, but you know what? I wasn't being drastic with anything and being like ruthless. So, you know, just me being me, living life, baby girl. I was just doing everything normal because it says, you know, live your life, put these patches on, lose some weight. You know, I just did my everyday thing. 8 p.m. comes on, grab some chips and put on a new episode of New Girl in proportions, so relax. At the end of this intense 2 weeks of training, I lost 0.2 ounces, somewhere around there. So I can say that it does not burn fat. And also, the biggest thing here, it ruined my belly button. I'm not being dramatic though. It's been 2 weeks since quitting these irritating patches, and this is how my belly button looks like. It's framed. In the beginning, it was even more noticeable than this, and I have flaky skin, dry skin, and it was just that patch. So imagine my smooth belly. It looks like a glazed donut. And then you reach literally the center, this picture framed belly button. Flaky, dry, itchy, red, bumpy. What? I didn't take any footage of this because I panicked and I was like, I can't be sharing this. People are gonna be like, what the frick, Faye? Why are you promoting this? But here we are, because I'm bringing awareness. Don't trust those stupid picture patches. Obviously, seeing this, I was like, okay, no. Maybe it's just the sticker residue. Let me just scrub a dub, dig the surface of my skin, and really get in there in the belly button, you know? Like, let me just try. Maybe it's just the residue. Come to find out, it was not the residue. I've been scratching this belly for 2 weeks now. Actually, I'm midway through 3. I mean, granted, it has faded a lot more since the beginning. But Linda, you should have seen me. Literally, like, took a gulp of lotion and smeared it on my belly button. I oiled myself up. I saran wrapped my belly button to keep the moisture. It was still flaky red and irritated the next day. It looks so stupid, and I know he's noticed. I am convinced that this is just gonna stay here. It's gonna look like a bad tan, and it's gonna fade away like a bad tan. I'm not even being dramatic, but it literally is scarred on, I swear. And the funniest thing is that you can literally see every position I laid the bandages on. It's ridiculous. You can absolutely see the traces, especially on the bottom portion. So I didn't lose weight. It doesn't burn fat or slim shape me, whatever. It does not suppress your appetite. Let me tell you, I don't think I've ever been so hangry for 2 weeks straight. Listen to jack shit. Unless you think it's cute to frame your belly button, I'd stray away. Do not waste your money on this. This is a PSA. I almost want to go and report every brand of these because they're sus, and you're left with this. It's dangerous, I'm telling you. So far, nothing. If this stays, there's gonna be a problem. I will find you. And that's it for my review on this belly fat burner, slim shape slimmer, appetite suppressor, weight loss sticker patch. Yeah, fat loss? No. Remember to do your research. Don't purchase this. I'm telling you now. And just lose weight the normal way. Weight loss is mainly your diet anyway. If you follow me on my vlog channel, let's live together. Let's work out together. Let's continue this journey, okay? Together forever. Let's go. I just thought it would have been fun. The curious cat dies? Something like that. Curiosity killed the cat? Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit.